Welcome back, and now a look at the other events in the state.
The Institute for Lean Construction Excellence and Fomento Knowledge organized a day workshop on collaborative partnering at Siddharth, Goa.
The objective for IPI is to create a few new players in the industry in India, neutral facilitators who help project teams work better together. And also, we want to share some metrics, share some success stories, and identify owner agencies and contractors who want to build not just good projects, but outstanding projects.
6th All Goa Dandiya and Garba competition was held at New Wade recently. Group of Nivedam organized Dandiya Grand Masti on a grand scale. Editor of Prudent, Pramod Acharya and team members were present for the function. People's Welfare Trust has planned to organize a show, Rising Star of India, which would be held in Goa on 8th and 9th of November. Grand finale of the show will be held on 10th November in Mapsa. The aim of the trust is to provide a platform to the artists and solve poverty and unemployment.
खूबशे लोक जे जेंका गव्हर्नमेंट जो फॅसिलिटीज ज्यो आहा त्यो सगळ्या पर्यंत पावना अशें आमकां दिसता आनी ते सगळे जे कोणाक ज्यो कितें फॅसिलिटीज मेळना तांकां आमचे तरेन पावोवपाचे आमी प्रयत्न करता.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Now you can have your wallet in your mobile. Vodafone has launched an app as M-Pesa. You can now deposit and withdraw money. You can also transfer money through this application. Vodafone, in collaboration with ICICI Bank, has launched this app.
We have the opportunity to provide the service of banking to them as well. 73% of farmer households have no access to any formal credit at all. And we know for certain that M-Pesa would be able to fulfill this particular void as well.
ICICI Bank and MCSL, a Vodafone Group company, have jointly presented M-Pesa, a mobile money transfer service for Vodafone subscribers. On applying for M-Pesa, customers get a mobile wallet issued by MCSL called MCSL Wallet and also a mobile money account with ICICI Bank. The wallet and the mobile money account are completely interoperable and the customers have an option to transfer money into the mobile money account.
Through the mobile, you can deposit and withdraw money. So you are opening a virtual account on your mobile itself. The mobile becomes a digital wallet, if you may. So instead of holding cash in your wallet, physical cash in your wallet, you are storing money on your mobile.
Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Governor Bharat Wanchoo has stressed on the quality of sportsmanship in today's era of cutthroat competition. On the occasion of the 17th edition of Geno Sports Awards, Wanchoo advised young sportspersons to take victory as well as defeat in their stride. Sports Journalists Association of Goa had organized their flagship awards function with the support of Geno Pharmaceuticals in Panji on Saturday.
Straight diving champion Alhad Chati received the award for Best Sportsman for 2012-13. After winning national and international events, squash ace Akanksha Salunkhe bagged the Best Sportswoman award and also the appreciation cash prize of 25,000 rupees. Chess star Bhakti Kulkarni could not come for the function, so her mother received on her behalf special cash appreciation award of 25,000 rupees. Mariano Diaz, the coach of last year's I-League champions Churchill Brothers, and the team members were honored with Best Coach and Best Team awards. Chess player Rishabh Naik and table tennis player Urmila Mendse were awarded for their promising performances as upcoming players. St. Xavier's College from Mapsa bagged the Best College award, while Don Bosco High School from Panji was named the Best School. Governor Bharat Wanchoo emphasized on the importance of sportsmanship in today's era.
We also need to build sportsmanship in our youth, and as someone said, sportsmanship for me is when a guy walks off the court and you really cannot tell whether he won or lost, when he carries himself with pride either way.
He also highlighted the need to develop scientific approach towards sports.
There are obstacles and inadequacies which need to be overcome. We must have scientifically evolved, integrated institutional arrangements and an enduring strategy for the development of sports and games. We must also introduce new courses in higher education for this purpose. In-depth studies and extensive research should be undertaken to enable us to move forward in a bigger way by scientifically promoting these activities. Our educational institutions must provide better opportunities for learning the various sporting skills and methodologies that are essential to achieve higher standards.
Chairman and MD of Geno Pharmaceuticals, Dilip Sargaonkar, pledged to support sportspersons in every way.
That when this sportsperson in different field win laurels for Goa and the country, it is time to recognize their talent so that they get enthused and start to do still better in the years to come. I can only assure here that we pledge to continue to support the deserving sportsperson and help them in whatever way possible to continue their excellent performance.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Panaji.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.